Hello and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. I'm Ads, and on today's 3-Minute Thursday I'm going to talk to you about tennis elbow. So I've suffered with tennis elbow now for about 3 months. I had it just before Christmas. You may remember a video I had about Christmas and Christmas parties and bowling and things. So what is tennis elbow? It is where the tendon in the arm, right near the elbow, gets a bit damaged, a bit stretched, a bit weak, and anytime you move your arm, it kind of hurts. Right near the elbow, right near the muscle is. So I've looked at a few videos online, and they all give you instructions on how to exercise your arm to get rid of it. I've tried that. Didn't work for me, made it worse in fact. So I went to the doctor and he gave me a prescription for some gel and an anti-inflammatory gel. This kind of worked, but it wasn't really that good. All it really did was relax the muscle a bit. The muscle, I could feel that it kind of loosen up and not be so painful, but it really didn't solve my tennis elbow. And the big thing was, if you read the instructions, the side effects, it was quite poisonous. If you got into your system, it could cause catastrophic ulcers. Kind of put me off from using it. And I did stop using it after a while because my skin started drying up and it started cracking, and I thought, that's it, I'm not going to be using this stuff anymore. So, the point of this video is, what am I using to get rid of or help my tennis elbow? Online, on Amazon, I bought this thing. This is just a little kind of bracelet thing which you put around your arm. It has a pad which puts a little bit of pressure on the area or the muscle, and it really does help. I really do feel the effects of this. I still got tennis elbow, but it is not as bad as it used to be. So how does this work? Well, I'm not too sure really. But my theory is explained by using an elastic band. If you stretch an elastic band, imagine that's your muscle. Either end is the tendons, one in the elbow and one down by your wrist. When you pull the elastic band, or your muscle, there's a lot of tension in the muscle and especially in the tendons. So if you put something in the middle, like the pad, this thing, then it kind of eases the pressure on the tendon. And I think that's how it works. Yeah, if you have a tennis elbow, or if you do get a tennis elbow and you're watching this video, check out Amazon. There's many different products. It's not just this one, but they're all the same sort of thing on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out. Really does help. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And why don't you hit that subscribe and notification button if that's the kind of thing that you like doing. Until next time, goodbye everybody, and thanks for watching. Now that's going because it's snipping down in the rain. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.